we're good. Wait, let's put the... Ah, there. Here's what I think. There's a personal robot in the room. I read some reviews.
A personal what? Right, we're right next to a door. Yeah.
Apparently they hear guests snoring and then take that as a command or something.
Do you speak English? I just said hello.
こんにちは。元気？僕は元気だよ。
Do you speak English? English. Okay, it might be restarting, and then after a few minutes, it should turn back on.
Do you speak English?
Oh, if you press his head 5 times in a row, you'll be able to change the language.
Oh, well done.
Say something.
Do you speak English? English?
Sorry,
English?
No.
Hello.
Try pushing his head again.
Hello. Hello.
Okay. I will switch to English.
Yay! I mean, yes.
I will re-
Where's Disneyland?
Other side of the hotel, we can't see it.
Oh, how rude.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
I don't know what they are, but... Oh, there's another hotel they're advertising. Another one somewhere else. Yeah, no, we're gonna get a cab then. Okay, so we're gonna check out. Let's just go talk to them. Just come with me, okay? Good morning. Please insert your room card in the adjustment machine on your right to check out. Good morning, dinosaurs.
Please wait. Insert your room card.
Put your room key in the checkout machine.
Thank you for using our service. We are truly looking forward to seeing you again.
Sorry. Sorry. Just gonna get a photo. I didn't get a good enough photo.
Oh, look. Oh, look.
What is it? Ah, cool. I don't know how to get a taxi unless we just go looking for one. I wonder if they're voice activated. Taxi?
Please wait.
Okay. There might be. It's clever.
Yeah, I need to order a taxi.
Oh, breakfast. Oh, how gozaimasu. Oh, we didn't know you were here. I'm sorry. Otherwise, we would have come and had breakfast. We stayed at the hotel. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. We have to go, but we might have missed it. But thank you anyhow. Oh, next time we will have breakfast here. It's the hotel. Yes, hotel breakfast. Thank you so much. Thank you.